Welcome to Best Choice. The best Tempress Boat Seat is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components of any boating experience, transforming a simple vessel into a comfortable haven for anglers, families, and adventurers alike. Whether you're embarking on a long fishing expedition, enjoying a leisurely cruise, or navigating choppy waters, the right boat seat can significantly enhance your enjoyment and endurance on the water, making it a crucial investment for any serious boater seeking to maximize their time and comfort out on the waves. Number 5. Tempress ProBax Orthopedic Folding High Back Boat Seat. Experience unparalleled comfort with a design co-developed by spinal surgeons and ergonomic experts. This seat is built to provide optimal support and a comfortable seating experience on the water. Crafted from robust 30 ounces marine-grade vinyl, this seat is built to withstand the harsh marine environment. Its durable construction ensures longevity and resilience against the elements. Rest assured with a product that meets and exceeds the highest safety standards in boating, including ABYC H31 compliance. It's proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. Setting up your new seat is a breeze. It's designed for easy installation, compatible with any standard 5 1/4 inch by 5 1/4 inch mounting system or boat seat pedestal. This seat is perfect for a wide range of applications. It's an ideal choice for bass boats, fishing pedestals, ice shelters, john boats, and even as a comfortable seating solution for mobility scooters. What we like. This seat is engineered with input from spinal surgeons for ultimate comfort and support. It's built with durable marine-grade vinyl and exceeds the highest safety standards. If you prioritize spinal health and long-term comfort during your boating trips, this is the seat for you. What people say. They are very comfortable, the material is tough and they are well designed. The quality just rings, they should last for years. The seat is nice and comfortable. The stitching of the material used to cover the seat is done very well. After 3 years of use, they are still fine and then seats are very comfortable. Number 4. Tempress NaviStyle Low Back Seat. Introducing the Tempress NaviStyle Low Back Seat, designed for comfort and performance on the water. Experience superior support with its thoughtful design. Its subtle curves offer excellent lumbar support, while the tapered sides allow for the natural movements you need. This seat is built to keep you comfortable during active use. Crafted with high-quality marine vinyl, this seat is built to withstand the elements. The charcoal gray color adds a sleek look to any boat. Enjoy a universal fit that makes installation a breeze. It easily mounts to any standard 5.25 inch x 5.25 inch marine swivel, slide, or seat spider. Proudly made in the USA and imported, this seat combines quality craftsmanship with global materials. It's a reliable choice for your marine seating needs. What we like. It offers subtle curves for lumbar support and tapered sides for active users. This seat allows for easy mounting to standard marine hardware. If you are an active boater who needs a seat that accommodates movement and provides good support, this is a great choice. What people say. This is the one I loved. It's soft, it's big enough, unlike others I bought on Amazon that said 18 inches wide, this one actually is 18 plus inches wide, I could sit in this all day long. It appears well made and is sturdy. These are great quality, comfortable seats that are worth every penny. They are tough, they won't rip and the seams don't come loose, they handle cold wet weather with ease, and laugh at dirt and smelly, slimy fish, I rinse them off the same day. There is nothing on this seat to rust and when I actually get to use one they are comfortable. With low back issues this seat sits great all day long too. I like the low back for storage when tucked away. Great seats and seem to last a long time. Number 3. Tempress NaviStyle High Back Seat, Gray. Experience unparalleled comfort on the water with our premium high back seat. Designed for the avid boater, it offers superior support for long days out on the lake or ocean. Crafted with durability and style in mind, this seat features a sleek gray finish that complements any boat interior. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the elements. Enjoy enhanced ergonomics with its high back design, providing excellent lumbar and neck support. You'll feel relaxed and comfortable, no matter how rough the waters get. Specifically engineered for marine use, this seat is built to last. Its weather-resistant materials ensure longevity and performance season after season. With dimensions of 19.5 by 18.25 by 24 inches, it's designed to fit most standard boat consoles and pedestals. Upgrade your boating experience today. What we like. This high-back seat is specifically designed for the sport of boating. Its gray color offers a classic look. If you're looking for a straightforward, high-back seat for general boating use, this option provides a comfortable perch. What people say. The seat is comfortable and well-made. It provides good support and is easy to install. Number 2. Tempress Elite High-Back Helm Seat. Experience superior comfort with our high-back Helm seat. Designed with built-in lumbar support and a rolled front edge, it provides exceptional seating for any marine adventure. Constructed from durable, marine-grade vinyl and rotationally molded materials, this seat is built to withstand the harshest marine conditions. Enjoy lasting quality and performance on the water. Enjoy enhanced comfort with its ergonomic design, featuring a comfortable style with lumbar support. The captain's comfort seat ensures a pleasant experience, even on long journeys. This seat offers practical features for your convenience. It includes an easy mounting base, a backside grab handle, and side armrests for added functionality and ease of use. Designed for a universal fit, this Helm seat is compatible with most boat setups. Its dimensions of 26H x 23.5W x 27.5D make it a versatile addition to your vessel. What we like. This Helm seat is rotationally molded for durability and features built-in lumbar support and armrests. It's designed for captain's comfort during long hours at the helm. If you spend extended periods driving your boat and desire maximum comfort and support features, this seat is ideal. What people say. The seats are very comfortable, stable and well made, although the cushions on the seats are not removable. Chair is very sturdy and comfortable. This is a very nice seat and actually fits adults comfortably, unlike the child size only chairs that Wise makes. Number 1. Tempress All-Weather High-Back Seat. Introducing the all-weather high-back seat, designed for ultimate comfort and support. Its contoured seat pan and lumbar support ensure a pleasant experience, no matter the weather. Crafted with durable, long-lasting construction, this seat is built to withstand the elements. You can rely on its quality for years to come. It conveniently accepts a quick disconnect, QD, mount, making installation and removal a breeze. Enjoy hassle-free setup every time. When it's time to travel, it conveniently folds down flat. This makes storage and transportation incredibly simple. Made with 30 ounces marine-grade camo vinyl, it offers both style and resilience. This material is designed to last in tough conditions. Designed for a universal fit, it's suitable for a wide range of applications. You can be confident it will integrate seamlessly with your existing setup. What we like. It features a contoured seat pan and lumbar support for comfort, and durable, all-weather vinyl construction. This seat also conveniently folds down for travel. If you need a versatile seat that offers good support, can withstand the elements, and is easy to store or transport, this is the one. What people say. The seat is very comfortable and provides good support for long trips. The seat is made of durable materials and seems like it will last for many years. The swivel base allows for easy rotation, making it convenient to turn and face different directions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.